guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another subscription box. These are my favorite. I love them, so that is why I do them. This company called Sips By contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to try out one of their subscription boxes. So I said yes. They do personalized and tea. You just fill out a survey and let them know what kind of teas you like, caffeine and no caffeine. It's super fun. You get 4 different types of tea a month, and then you also get 15 plus cups of tea in each box. So that's pretty cool. Like, I thought they're $15 a month. I have a coupon code for you. I will leave the link in the description box below, so if you do want to check these out. And with my code, you will get $5 off your first box. I think that's fun, and I think for $15, I think it's pretty cool, and I think it's a reasonable cost. So this is what it looks like. I thought this is realistically like my kind of packaging. I think it's plain and simple, but it's like pretty, and I like that. So you open it, you have your June. So this is June teas, and then on this it tells everything is made for you. So it is going to show you, so it says made for Kristen, and yours will say the same thing. So it shows you everything, all the tea that you get in here, your 4 teas, and then it also tells you there's like low caffeine, caffeine free, high caffeine. I'm all about high caffeine. I definitely said I wanted caffeine because I would really like to try to let go of drinking energy drinks every single morning, and I know it's awful for you, I know it's terrible for you. So I thought maybe I would be able to use like a high caffeine tea and do that instead, and I think it's gonna be way healthier for you. So this is what I received. I thought this was really cool because there is a loose leaf tea in here, and although we don't all have tumblers, they have reusable muslin cloth tea bags inside here, and I thought that was just really great because now you have reusable tea bags. You can just put your loose leaves in here, and then you can just stick them in here. I thought that was like super cool because, I mean, you know, you have loose leaf tea and a tumbler. What are you gonna do? Well, now you don't even have to worry about it. So the first teas I got were these Pucka. I'm probably not saying this right, but we'll just go with Revitalize, a burst of warming organic cinnamon and ginger and cardamom. This one, what does this say? This one is a low caffeine, has a spicy flash of cinnamon, ginger, and cloves with orange, spearmint, green tea. I love green teas. I definitely said that as something that I really wanted because I really enjoy drinking green tea. The next one in here is this organic green tea, citrus and ginkgo, Harney and Sons Master Tea Blends. And you get, I got 4 of these. Like I said, you get 4 different teas, 15 plus cups, 4 of these. I received 4 of these as well. This organic green tea, this one is a medium caffeine. Refreshing blends feature hand-picked organic green tea blends. And then, like I said, it shows you how to make everything, which I thought was super, super cool. I also received, and this is my loose leaf tea. This is caffeine free. You get 4 servings. This is Tea Kitten, herbal tea, tart tea to the party. I don't know, that's kind of cute. And so what is this one? This is caffeine free, brew and hot and cuddle up with a mug. It's just super cool. I think this stuff is just really neat. And then the last one, this is my high caffeine. These are macada? I don't know. 100% pure on the go. And how cool, they're on the go. Like, that's even better because yeah, we got kids. If you have kids, I have kids, and everything on the go is perfect. So this one is definitely something if you need some energy, which I think I'm gonna try this one first just because I'm really, really curious about how much caffeine or like if it works better than an energy drink. So I'm like, can't wait. I honestly can't wait. I really think this subscription box is amazing. I like subscription boxes that don't take up a ton of space. This is gonna get used, and I think that is super great. So this is what everything looks like on the inside bag. I mean, I really messed that one up, but it looked way cuter when I opened it. You guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys are gonna try this out, or if you have tried it out, or if you guys drink tea or don't drink tea, or what do you guys use for caffeine? Do you use tea for caffeine? Coupon code in the description box for $5 off your first box. And yep, that's it. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that link below so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.